Eating. Oh. That's so cold.
Come on this way. Heidi, keep coming. Come on, we'll go say hi to them.
Hey, Kagar. Yeah. That's so cold. Nice place, yeah. Look and see. I can't. What the cobble? Hey, don't eat that much here. Too much here. Darn. She's vegetarian.